I love that Hello Kitty.
Oh, thank you. Well, can I play you the one song that I know how to play? I kind of just started playing.
Yeah. Definitely.
You'll definitely skip me though. Everybody skips me when I start playing.
No, shut up. Play.
I actually can't really remember how it goes.
It's okay. Don't worry.
You're so encouraging. You're so nice.
It's okay. Like, if you're a starter, you're a starter. Whenever you become like a rock star or whatever, you just have to mention me.
You think that's possible?
I mean, as long as you practice enough, you could actually get really good at it.
Oh, wait a minute. No, I remember how it goes.
Oh. You played me for it.
I think it goes something like that.
You played me for a fool.
I'm sorry.
That guitar is not the move.
What do you mean? What?
You're looking Hello Kitty guitar.
What's wrong with this?
It's like it's a little baby.
What do you mean?
Bitch, no boy has a girl guitar, you dummy.
Hello?
Yeah, laugh at it. Laugh at my first guitar. I swear to God. Ha ha ha!
Can you play something?
I could try. I mean, I just kind of started playing, so I'm not really that
You
good.
know hot cross buns?
I might be able to do that one, actually. It's like, isn't it something like...
Yeah! Thank you so much for that.
You're welcome. All right, well, let me play you this other nursery rhyme that I know. I'm probably gonna butcher this, so I'm sorry. I'm really nervous about it. Oh!
What the heck? That's so good. I butchered this. You made him play hot cross. No way. Is that real? That was awesome. We made you play hot cross buns.
Yeah.
Literally, that was really good. Like,
Thank you so much.
I'm so embarrassed I just made it play hot cross buns.
You could play?
Not really. I'm kind of new, to be honest. I only know like 2 songs.
Show us.
Yeah.
All right, well, here's one of them. You know this one?
Yeah, I heard that.
Yeah.
That's tough. You gotta just keep practicing, man. It'll pay off.
You think so, man?
Yeah. Hey, it took me years.
The only other one I know is, I feel like I have a better handle on that one.
That was tough as hell. What the fuck? It's like he learned experience out of nowhere.
Yo!
A guitar, what's up?
What is that, a custom Strat?
I don't know. I asked for a guitar for Christmas, and this is what my parents got me. So
Freaking sick, I'm not.
That's actually cool. Play us a song.
I know like 2 songs, okay? So don't judge me too hard, all right? Just started like a week ago.
Where's the other song you know?
You want the other one? I just learned this one, so I'm a little nervous about it.
I knew it. Damn, bro, you guys good.
Hey!
Are you like like a YouTuber or something?
No, I just started playing guitar a week ago. I don't have a YouTube channel or
Oh, yeah,
anything.
right.
Oh, shit.
What the hell?
What?
You're a grown man playing a Hello Kitty guitar.
I'm 12.
Oh, there's no way.
That is
Going
actually a dope guitar.
What's up? Oh, you like my guitar?
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
actually.
I asked for a guitar for Christmas, and this is what my parents got me. It said it was like my style or something, so that's why they bought it for me. I don't know exactly what that means.
Well, then I think they might think you're gay, but
What's a song?
Okay. Not to flex or anything, but I already know how to play the hardest guitar song, so I'm gonna play it for you.
alright.
You know this one?
Yeah.
I've been playing for like a week, so don't judge me too hard.
Nah, bro, we all have our flaws. Like, you just gotta work at it.
Oh my god! That didn't go good. This guy's gonna go off. That's funny. It's so obvious. He's probably like a 25-year-old dude. He's like not playing guitar, just like mess with people. You're such a liar.
Just admit to us, you've been in Metallica.
Is that a Hello Kitty guitar?
Yeah, it is. What? What's wrong? She straight up laughed at me.
Hi.
What's up, man? Oh, you got a deep voice.
Why you got that Hello Kitty guitar?
Why not? What's wrong with it?
Nothing, homie. I'm just a little confused.
Oh, well, I just started playing guitar, and this is what my brother got me for my birthday. I asked for a guitar, so.
Can you shred it?
Can I shred it? I can't. I mean, I can hit you with one of these, like, you know, Stairway, right?
Yeah.
I just learned this.
It's a pretty good start, man.
Oh, thanks, dude. I only know that in one other song, so I'm just getting started.
Yeah. I respect it. It's a hard instrument.
The only other thing I know is yeah, that's the only two songs I know.
I should have seen that one coming. God damn it.